Hello guys, welcome back to the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla. This is our food reviews and taste test. Today we've got two new products from Lay's. Frito-Lay Lay's potato chips. No artificial flavors here, they say on the bag, so stay tuned. In a city rampant with new foods daily, we needed to find a gorilla willing to try them all.
Today we're trying Lay's Masala and Lay's Tzatziki.
Alright, so we got two flavors. One is the wavy Tzatziki. It's the Flavor Drop Global Edition Lay's Flavor Tzatziki. Lay's. Wavy Lay's. And then we have the Lay's Masala. Lay's Masala. Alright, so let's check these out. Flavor Drop, inspired by Taste of India. Buy, scan, you could win a vacation, it says. Alright, experience iconic global flavors with Lay's. Enjoy these masala flavored chips inspired by Taste of India. No artificial flavors. That's very important. You can find Lay's at lays.com. or on Facebook or X. There's 8 servings per container, and a serving size is 15 chips. 150 calories in those 15 chips. Total fats 10 grams, saturated fats 1.5 grams, trans fats 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 190 milligrams, total carbohydrates 15 grams, dietary fibers 1 gram, total sugar 1 gram, and 2 grams of protein. There's 0 mcgs of vitamin D, 10 mgs of calcium, 0.6 mgs of iron, 340 mgs of potassium, and 8% of vitamin C. Has potatoes, vegetables, canola, corn, soybean, and sunflower oil, salt, spices, sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, citric acid, tomato powder, turmeric, paprika, natural flavors, and yeast extract. So let's open these up. We'll show you what they look like. Really nice green colored bag. There you go. That's what it looks like inside. Regular Lay's potato chips. What do you smell?
Cumin.
Cumin. I smell cumin. I love the packaging. Little artwork around the packaging and in the background. It's really cool. Okay. She smells cumin. I agree. Kind of got a red hue to them. A little more red emphasized on the packaging than on the chip. But pretty close. Definitely cuminish. Cheers.
Cheers.
I gotta get a few more.
I want with more stuff on it.
Almost like a corn flavor. Kind of a chili flavor. There's a little bit of heat there. Right? Are you getting any heat?
A little bit, but do you get like a
Vinegar?
a little bit of a bean in it?
Something's
flavor?
in that. I thought corn, but maybe it's a black bean. There's definitely an odd taste there. Something different that I can't put my tongue on.
I mean, it's not bad.
Good.
Pretty
And
good.
different. And just the right amount of heat. Alright. This is the experience of iconic global flavors with Lay's. Enjoy these Tzatziki flavored chips. Inspired by Taste of Greece. These also have no artificial flavors. Both of these are guaranteed fresh. 8 servings per container, about 13 chips and 150 calories. Excuse me. Total fat, 10 grams. Saturated fat, 1.5 grams. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 0 milligrams. Sodium, 140 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 15 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Total sugars, 1 gram. Protein, 2 grams. Vitamin D, 0 mcgs. Calcium, 10 mgs. Iron, 0.6 mgs. Potassium, 340 mgs. And 6% vitamin C. It's got basically the same ingredients down to salt, buttermilk, onion powder, sour cream, and yogurt, and garlic powder. Alright, here's what they look like. Now this just has a fairly simple knot pattern around the outside. There is another kind of Aztec-y knot pattern down here too. This is grease. These are wavy chips. This is what they look like. There's a good amount of seasoning on these. I can see the little... Smells like sour cream. That's why I'm getting sour cream. Cheers. Cucumber.
Sour cream, cucumber.
That cucumber comes on strong. This, and before I say this, these were $2 a piece. Now it says suggested retail price $4.99. They had Lay's. All these chips were $2 a piece at
Only
Walmart.
Lay's brand.
This is the best tzatziki, or closest to tzatziki chip I have ever had. And I've tried about 4 or 5 of them now. And this tastes like you dipped it into tzatziki. This is really good. If you like tzatziki sauce.
It's a nice creamy tzatziki.
You like tzatziki. Do you like this? These are really good.
I do.
You like the gyros? Tzatziki sauce is what they put on gyros. If you like that kind of cucumber, creamy, little bit of dill. Not much though, huh?
Not a whole lot.
I think they put some dill in it.
I think so.
But if you like that sauce that's on gyros, these chips are delicious. So I thought both of these were really, really well done. Very complex flavors. And delicious. These are both delicious. So check these out if you get a chance. This is the Gypsy and the Vanilla Gorilla Food Reviews and Taste Tests. That's a long title. These are short reviews. We encourage you to keep finding the art in everything. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace, y'all.
Peace, y'all.